Yes. This is the elevator at Braid SkyTrain station on the Millennium Line. It's a 2000 Dover. And it looks like the phone has been replaced with a crappy mod. Put a T. And it's got glass on two sides. This is typical on Millennium Line. There it goes, and